everybody, it's Jeremy with Echo Orange. So today we would like to bring you our FAQs. We've been getting a lot of questions and we'd like to answer those for you today. Okay, question number 6. What are the recommended water dilution ratios? Because our product can clean so many surfaces, we have many ratios. So we recommend that you take a look at our website at echoorange.com, and I will provide a link below that will take you to the downloadable PDF or to the website itself that will give you the dilution ratios for individual uses. So hope that answers your question. Let's move on to number 7. Okay guys, well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed it and it was informative for you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe below. And don't forget to leave us your email address on the website so that we can send you updates for current products, tips, tricks, new upcoming products. You'll be part of our VIP club. You'll get the first information of any of our new products coming out. You'll be awarded exclusive offers. And if you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down, but please comment below and let us know what we did wrong or what you didn't like so that we can improve for our next videos. So, happy cleaning and take care. Thanks.